This website accepts tutor from all over the world. All over the world, I repeat. So this is, I have said it, even if you don't have skill, even if you are just a new person on the online space, you can make money with no knowledge, with zero income. You can make money. You can make money online. I am shouting it. So guys, I'll be showing you a website that will pay you to make money, just even as an entry level. Yeah, so guys, welcome back to the screen of my phone. So here we go. I open my browser. Well, I've already opened it down. But before I tell you the name of the website, let's just take a brief look at how much the highest earners are earning. You understand, on the website. So this is it in a mobile form, in a mobile phone format. So this guy, Alan Mitch, earns $91,292. Imagine $91,000 or more. If you calculate it, do you know how much that is? This Parma John earns $89,000. Chemex earns 77, Gkims earns 75, Dorime earns 71. So now some of you would wonder, does this site you are talking about, do they accept Nigerians? Oh yes, they accept. Do they accept anybody worldwide? Oh yes, they accept. So these are their popular tutors from countries. So imagine if you're in any of these countries or not, you can sign up on the website. The first one is Canada, Indonesia, Mexico, Pakistan, South Africa, United States, Zambia, India, Malaysia, Nigeria, Philippines, Ukraine, Vietnam. So if you're in Nigeria, yes, they accept Nigerians, if that is what you're wondering. Yes, they do accept Nigerians. You get me? So when we go down, we see their top subject. You have accounting, algebra, business and finance, chemistry, computer science, health and medical, law, management, mathematics, programming, psychology, science, statistics, writing. These are the subjects they offer. So if you are good in any of these subjects, you can apply on this website. So let's go back to our browser and check out the name of this website. So I'll click on the back button. Now name of the website is Study Pool. STUDDYPOOL. That's Study Pool. So you click on the first link. Yeah, you click on the first link and voila, it brings you to the website. Now this is what the website does. 247 study help. Get help with homework, questions from verified tutors. So what you student question, answer student question. If you're a teacher, a worker, or you're good in any subject, just come on this website. They have all the subjects available. You understand? This is how it works. How Q&A tutoring works. Post a question. Ask all types of questions, big or small, from basic math to rocket science. You understand? Connect with a tutor. Our system recommends the best tutors for your question. Explanation and answer. So these are for actually students. You understand? Students and teachers. The school that you are teaching, how much are they paying you? You can as well come here and share your knowledge and get paid. Their featured subject here once again is mathematics, science, business, programming, humanities, writing. Definitely a school revolves around these six subjects. You understand? So if you're under any of this niche, you can definitely sign up on this website and get paid. You understand? So you can post notebooks as well. Just go through the website, go around it, browse around it. You get to see what happens on the website. But then you can click on these three dots on your Chrome browser and you can change it to desktop site or mobile site. But to enjoy the platform very well, or the site very well, I advise you change it to desktop site. So this is how it looks. So on the first icon here, like the first this thing here, we have all subjects. The second one, we have business. So in whatever subject that you probably graduated from school from, or you did back then in school, you can use your knowledge and help students here. You understand? Any subject that you studied, anyone, business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing. So let's say, for instance, right, let's say we want to check under business. So okay, now let's say you did maybe you did marketing, you did marketing in school. Yeah, you're now wondering under what category should your course in school fall under. So just check this humanities. Now you see that almost all the works, all the business related whatever, almost all the business related whatever is here. See accounting, see advertising, see biotechnology, broadcasting, business law. Imagine even business law is here. Business plans, communication, data analysis, entrepreneurship, Excel, Facebook marketing, hospitality. Imagine Facebook marketing, international trade, internet marketing, journalism, just name it. See print media, publishing, see e wide, is just like a faculty. When you check the next one, this is humanities. So under humanities you might be thinking, I don't know which this thing I fall under. I did linguistics in school. Just come and check humanities. See African studies, American studies, anthropology. See e plenty. Cooking and baking, imagine, e plenty. Cultural studies, design, English and teaching, English, education and teaching, ethics study. If you did English in school, you can come here and still help answer questions and assignments and still get paid. You understand? See fashion design, even if na fashion design you do, or film. Imagine, see me now, literature. You get some students under literature that will come and ask you this and that to okay, come and ask you about the genres of literature. You understand? So you will definitely get a lot of questions. The next one here is mathematics. Mathematics, anyone, see set theory o, statistics o, linear algebra o, graphics o, graphs o, imagine, even crypto sef. So the next one, programming too is wide. See NET, see app development, see culture, any field you find yourself, you see this website aba, you go see science. Under science, see botany, chemistry, anatomy, astrophysics, zoology, e plenty. So what you just need to do is come on this website, click on become a tutor. You understand? Once you're on this website, you click on become a tutor. You understand? Just make sure that your Chrome is under desktop site. Your Chrome is under desktop site, so you can easily see everything the website has in store for you. For you, you understand? So the next one is you click on become a tutor. Become a tutor is right up here, as in look at it, right up here. Look at it, very well, right up here. So you click on become a tutor and it will bring you to this site. It says earn money answering homework questions. Funny enough, oyinbo no too get time. You understand? Not even oyinbo, even some Nigerians are on this website. Togo, Senegal, Ghana, South Africa, Tanzania, a lot of them, Canada, Ukraine, Vietnam, a lot of them are on this website just looking. As long as you are in a country where there is school, you understand, you can come on this website and ask questions. Now what you do is you provide answer. Now that is how we make money, by providing answers to those questions. And some of those those questions, most of the answers are on Google, they are on the internet. You type it and then you use it and answer the question. So you don't have to, be, cracking your brain, all those things. And earn up to $7,500 working from home. Hey, just to tutor students, answer their questions, all those things. Now it says apply now. See, take a look at this, just take a look at this. It says now accepting tutors from all over the world. From all over the world, it accepts tutor. This website accepts tutor. This website accepts tutor from all over the world. All over the world, I repeat. So this is what it says. Let's come down here. Why tutor on Study Pool? There are many reasons to make Study Pool your go-to service, your go-to source for online tutoring work. So these are actually for the students. Now, all you need to do is click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, it will bring you to this portal. The registration is quite simple. You just create your account. Once you create your account, you have access to numerous questions to answer and get paid. You understand? All you have to do is fill in your email, your username, your password, and hit this create account, and then boom, you are on it. So there are thousands of questions every time under each niche. You understand? Under each niche. So all you just need to do is create an account with them and then start earning money. So guys, please drop it in the comment section if you have signed up on the website, what you think about the website, how much you have made on the website, and probably if the website is fit for you. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.